Hi and welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. My name is Erin, and on my videos I show you how to create DIY bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. Today I'll be sharing with you a formula that I created for all skin types, and this is a DIY strawberry and raspberry face serum. It is very hydrating and it helps to balance the oil production in the skin. So let's go ahead and get started creating. To start out with, I'll be adding some olive squalene to my beaker. Squalene is really good as it hydrates and it's really suitable for all skin types. Best of all, it does not clog the pores. Once I have the olive squalene in my beaker, I now will be adding some jojoba oil. This is a fairly quick to absorb oil. It is suitable for all skin types, and it also helps to balance or regulate the sebum production in the skin. After the jojoba oil, I'll be adding some acacia berry. This aids in improving skin elasticity. Not only that, but it is fast absorbing as well. This next ingredient, strawberry seed oil, is another oil that really helped to inspire me when it came to making this face serum. It's very skin conditioning. It's known to be an emollient. It is high in iodine, and it helps to give the skin a youthful appearance by improving the skin's elasticity. It's also really good for most skin types. Keeping with the berry theme for this face serum, I'm going to be adding raspberry seed oil next. This is a lightweight oil. It does not clog the pores. It's high in vitamin A and E. It's great for most skin types, and it's also very hydrating. Because I wanted a little more antioxidants in this face serum, I'm going to be adding some vitamin E. This is helpful for hydrating the skin and also if you have any sun damage. Best of all, it will help to prolong the shelf life of the other ingredients that I am using. So now that I have all my ingredients for this face serum in my beaker, I will be gently stirring this for about 3 to 4 minutes, and this will just ensure that everything is nicely combined. Let me go ahead and pour all the ingredients into my spray bottle. I chose to use a spray bottle because it is just easy and convenient for me to use. Now, we did not need to add a preservative to this formula, and that is because we used oils. And when you're making an oil-based product, it is not necessary to add a preservative. For those of you who are wondering how much this face serum makes, it makes exactly 4 ounces, and it is something that you can use every day. Here I have a little face cream on my hand. Now, the reason I'm showing you this is because I want to give you an idea on how you're going to use this face serum that I created. So once you have gently rubbed in your cream, you're going to want to follow up by adding just a little of the facial serum. Now, the reason you're adding just a little is because a little goes a long way. This is something that you can use daily, and it has a very slight but pleasant scent of strawberry. Here is the formula that I used to create this strawberry and raspberry face serum. I've also included some substitutions. There's only a few, and unfortunately, there really isn't, at least in this particular formula, any substitute for strawberry seed oil. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.